Okay, for that we need to do one thing. We have to draw the child of this for the frank. Okay, no, see here, the first one is the pre-order. Pre-order means first we have to start with the root. Okay, we need to start with the root 50. Okay, we have to go, if it is we are the coming, you are connecting with first time means you have to write in the pre-order. Connecting second time means you have to write in order. Connecting with third time means you have to write in the post order. So first time connecting with the 50 at first time. First time means you have to write in where we have to write here in the first time only. First time means it's in the pre-order. Okay, I'm connecting with the first time. It's the pre-order. Now see here, I'm starting the journey with here 50. I came 35 also first time. So I have to write in pre-order only 35. After that I will come here 30. 30 also I'm joining first time only. So it is I will write in pre-order only. Okay. No, I will come here. No, it's going second time. Second time means if it is going to the same number second time means you change the color. It is we connected to the 31 second time. We connected here also. Otherwise we will connect here like this. Connect. Okay. We connected. Second time we connected. So second time we connected means we have to write in the in order. Second time. This is the first time. First time. It is second time. It is the third time. In order 31. So you have to write here. After that again we are connecting third time 31. Connecting third time means we have to write in post order. It is a 31. Here also it will come 31. Hope all of you understood. Okay. Next 35 we are connecting. Already first time we connected here. Second time we connecting here. So we have to second time we connecting means second time means you have to write in order. So 35. Okay, and remember that one, it won't repeat again in the any numbers are not repeated in the pre-order in order post, right? It won't repeat. Next it is 44. It's coming first time. 44 is we are meeting at a first time. So it is you have to write meeting at first time means you have to write in a pre-order. Okay, now we are coming second time. Again we are connecting with the second time here. So it comes in a in order 44. Again it will coming we are meeting at third time. So third time we are meeting means you have to write here post order 44. Okay, 35 first time connected, second time connected. Again we are connecting third time. See here third time we connecting. Third time we connecting. So blue color you have to write here 35. Okay, 50 again we are connecting 50 second time. See here 50 we are connecting second time. Second time means we have to write here 50. 70 we are connecting first time. Connecting first time. So we have to write here 70. So for the 66 also we are connecting first time. We are coming first time from here. So we have to write here only 66. After that we are 66 we are connecting second time. So we have to write in the second in order 66. No 66 we are connecting third time. So we have to write here in post order 66. Again 70 connecting already first time it's connected, it's second time. Second time green color. So it's 70. Okay. 90 it's coming first time. So purple color. It will we have to write here 90. Again it's meeting second time 90. Second time means you have to write in order. Third time again we connecting the 90. So you have to write in post order 90. No 70 we are connecting third time and 50 also connecting third time. So 70, 50. Just check this one. If we have the how many numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we wrote down the 7. It should come like that. So we will check according to the formula. Now see here, pre-order means root, left side, right side. Root means what? 50. Okay, root 50. After that we have to come left side. Left side is 35. 35 again have the roots. Again have the roots means we have to write first. Left side first, after that 44. Left side 31, after that 44. It's completed. Next is 70. 70, left side 66, after that 90. Okay, first we have to write here pre-order root we need to write first, after that left side. Left side. Again we need to complete that one. Left side, right side. After that right side, left side, right side we need to complete. In order, you have to come to first left side. Left side means you have to go from below 31, after that 35, 44. Left side is completed. Here this is the left side. It start with the left side because LST root RST. Here also we have to write the same as it is. LST root RST. LST 31 and this left side 31 root is 35 and it's a 44 RST. After that we have to write here root of this main graph, that is 50. Again you have to come to this side. So LST say 66 root of this one 70. After that 90. Hope all of you understood this one. Next is LST. So you have to come to LST. This 35. This LST we need to write. LST is 31. After that you have to write RST 44 and this root it is a 35. After that we have to come here right side. Right side also LST 66.